Dentade, pioneer manufacturing laboratory in oral research, presents Dentade Technology Nano Repair. An innovative technology based on hydroxyapatite nanoparticles, a natural tooth element that guarantees complete integration with tooth enamel. Its unique properties help to repair sensitive teeth and restore their natural white color. How do the hydroxyapatite nanoparticles work to repair sensitive teeth? Dental sensitivity is caused by wear on tooth enamel and on root cementum, or by a process of gingival recession. When this occurs, the dentin loses its protective covering and the dentinal tubules are exposed, allowing external stimuli to reach the nerve ends and cause pain. The hydroxyapatite nanoparticles are deposited on teeth, sealing the open dentinal tubules and blocking the transmission of external stimuli to the pulp, therefore preventing pain. They form a preventive coating that is resistant to washing right from the first application, ensuring the repair of sensitive teeth. How do the hydroxyapatite nanoparticles work to whiten dental enamel? Irregular tooth enamel or cracked enamel becomes more dull and darker, since light loses its intensity when it hits the tooth surface. The hydroxyapatite nanoparticles fill the irregularities of the tooth enamel, creating a surface that is smoother and brighter, giving teeth back their natural white color. Dentade Technology Nano Repair is an authentic revolution in the dental world. It is a state-of-the-art technology that Dentade has incorporated in its latest product launches. Desensin Repair, the formula that repairs sensitive teeth from the first application. The hydroxyapatite nanoparticles form a protective layer that eliminates sensitive tooth pain. Proven efficacy in 95% of all patients. Dentade, the oral health experts.